big gold ring.
Well, having practiced with the old part I'm going to do the one on my detector. I'm not going to go through every single step because this is just really a quick update on where I am. Basically, to open it up, you need to undo the torque screws which are round, which is a T10. Undo that, unclip the ribbon cable which connects to the power connectors and to the headphone. Then going to desolder the ribbon cable completely, so I've got that loose and can then work on it without fear of heat damaging any of the plastic. So I'll desolder the old connector, put a new connector in its place and solder it all back up, test and then reassemble. So it won't be hopefully too long a job to do that. Just need to take it steady and careful. Well, I've opened it up. One thing you need to pay particular attention to is there's lots of sand and grit around the edge, and it's very important that the seal is taken out, given a good clean, and all the rubbish removed from the gap. You can see all the sand in there, and absolutely imperative that that's all cleaned out. Otherwise, when it goes back together again, and if you go in water, it'll lose its integrity. Well, I have the old connector off, which is just there, and the new connector is going to go on in a second. The O-rings which came with the new connector are fractionally thinner, so I'm going to reuse one of the old ones and put it on the connector. So we just need to solder that up and insert it into the bulkhead. It's the bulkhead without anything on. So just re-solder those pins and insert that into the hole. Well, the connector is now back on the ribbon cable. Just going to reassemble the box and then be able to test it. Well, it's all back together, tested, working. So just finally to put the detector back together with the coil and then go out doing some detecting at some point soon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.